Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain how to search data from table in Java. So let's start my video. You can see here I am designed a student record JFrame and I want to search data from this table. Here if you enter any record in this text field area and if the record is matches this table, those whose record will be present in this table and other will be removed. So how do it? Let's explain. Now you can just select this text fill area and right click mouse button and you can just click on the event then action then you can go to the your key and key released. Otherwise you can just select key pressed anyone and click on it. After clicking you automatically go to your source code editor and here you can type any code for these actions. So in this event action I want to write some codes and I want to work with any JTables. So we need to create a object for default table model. So simply click right type here default table model so just click on the default table model and create one object for default table model. So just obj you can type any name for this object. Obj is equal to JTable1 dot get model method to get the model of JTable. So you can see here compile time error will be, so you can just click on it. Here you can see the cast model is necessary, so just click on it and our error will be removed. If you error will be again comes, you can just import the Java Swing default table model. Now after that I am trying to create a other object table row sorter method. So here type table row sorter method. So just click on it and type passing the argument default table model. So type here default table model, then write your object name. So vj is equal to new table row sorter method, table row sorter class, and here passes the our object. So first we create default table model obj object, so here pass ob and semicolon. After that we need to sort this record. So here type row sorter JTable dot row sorter. One method become set row sorter method. So here you can see set row sorter method and here pass the object. First we need to create the default table model object and this default table object will be referenced to the table row sorter method and pass this table row sorter method obj into the table row sorter method. So here you can just passes this method object in this method and after that you can just sort this record. So how sort this record? So obj dot set row filter and here you can just type just a second filter row filter dot regress filter and delete it. Here you can just pass which string this sort this table. So we can sorting the string we can which is insert into this text box. So you can just type JTextField1 dot get text and this record will be comes into this table object one dot set row filter method and automatically sort this record. So you can just run this application and you can see our application will be sorted this record. So here I want to sort this record using candidates gender. So you can just type M, and this record will be sorted. If you type here F, then record will be sorted with female candidates, and if you want to sort this record with country, then automatically sort this record. And if you want to search record using roll number, so just type roll number and record will be present in this table. If you want to sort record using name, then just click on the name letters and automatically sort this record. And if you want to record sort using age, then you can just type here and automatically record will be sorted. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.